Hello viewers. Today, we're delving into the world of natural hair hacks, unlocking the secrets to embracing and enhancing your gorgeous natural texture. Get ready to fall in love with your curls all over again. Let's kick things off with the golden rule: hydration. Natural hair thrives on moisture. Drink plenty of water and use family hair care to stay hydrated inside out. These both elements are your secret weapon to keep those curls quenched and flourishing. Cleanse with care. Family Hair Care's sulfate-free formula is your ally for a gentle yet effective wash. Remember, clean hair is happy hair, and happy hair curls better. Detangling can be a breeze with the right technique. Apply Family Hair Care, and use a wide-tooth comb, and start from the ends, working your way up for effortless detangling. Protective styles aren't just fashionable, but they're a way to shield your curls. Family Hair Care's styling properties offer the hold and nourishment your hair needs, whether you're rocking twists, braids, or a bun. Give your curls a spa day with steam treatments. The steam opens up the hair cuticle, allowing products like Family Hair Care to penetrate deeply and nourish every strand. Improve your nightly beauty routine with a satin pillowcase. This addition offers more than just comfort, it actively reduces friction, protecting your hair from breakage and minimizing frizz. There you have it, your guide to natural hair hacks with Family Hair Care. Embrace the beauty of your natural texture, and remember, every curl is a unique work of art. Until next time, embrace those curls and stay fabulous.